Hello everyone, this is the very first video of our channel, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can grab a Python programming course for free that is being initiated by AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. It is a very valuable course and you will learn a lot on this. So in this video I'm gonna tell you an entire process how you can enroll into the course and get yourself certified. This is the official site from where you can grab the course, that is govi.in. It is a tech startup by IIT Madras and IIM Ahmedabad. So scrolling down, you can see that it is an online event, fully hands-on, free certification is available, and the event will be conducted on April 24. There are two parts of the event. First, there will be workshop and there will be a Python programming course also. So you need to take the course first, and then according to your slot that you book, you have to attend the online workshop. It is in association with AICTE. So you will learn here basics of Python programming, image processing, and you will build a face recognition app using Python programming. Anyone can participate in this event. The total registrations are approximately 25,000, and it is said that approximately 10 lakh students will register for the event. So it is going to be a mega event. Okay, so how does this work? You need to register on this site, get yourself enrolled in the Python course for free, whose value is generally ranging between 1500 to 2000, and now you are getting it for free. Amazing. Then you have to learn the basics from this, attend AI event, and then you will learn to make face recognition app using Python from basics. And finally, you will get certified from the Govi platform, and you will also get a certificate that will be based on mega workshop that you have attended. So you can enroll in this course. You have to click here, register for free. Then you will get redirected to this, like a dialog box will appear. Type your name, email, phone number, and select a slot. You can select any of the slot and just choose your password, enter it, and click on sign up and join event. You can also sign up through Google directly. After doing this, you will get redirected to this page, and it is saying that successfully registered for AI for India, and you need to click on start learning. You will get redirected to this page. Here one thing is being noticeable. If you are not getting any option here like my courses, then it means you have to log in from here. You are not logged in into the account. Some people will get a direct login here, and they will get an option like my courses. So you can start your learning by today itself. But if you are not logged in, click on login. Then you need to type your ID and password, and on successful login, you will get redirected to this page. This is your Python programming course, and you can start it for free just now only. So this is the workflow of Python programming course. This and this are the contents, and this is how you'll be going. So thank you so much, and for upcoming videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel.